Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you're joining us in San Antonio, Texas, and we've come to Rudy's Barbecue. Now, the last time we come to San Antonio, Texas, we got took to a barbecue place, but it was a bit posh, and we wanted some true Texas style. So
you just call County Line posh?
that is posh. It's down a Riverwalk. Anyways, so we're going to try some true barbecue. And we can smell the smoke already. And here's some of the barbecue wood.
Three things that are outside. Wherever you like.
See, Chris? Now I feel like a cowboy. I got me a big ass tater, some cream corn, and a big ass cup of Big Red. Yee-haw-yaw. Barbecue sauce.
Sauce.
The worst barbecue sauce in Texas, apparently.
It is. It's horrible.
Really?
No.
This one's even better because it's not so hot barbecue sauce.
And I bet it's really hot.
No, it's not that hot.
Look at the colour. Well, that was terrible. Why did you fetch us here?
I'm sorry.
And if you don't understand, that was sarcasm. Like the barbecue bottle. So it's also a country store where you can buy all the peppers and sauces and all the condiments that you can have whilst you're having your meal. And there's also some merch over here. Nice. And there's a flag up there that's been signed. Ooh, they've even got snacks and jerky. So there you have it. That's only a short video, but the food in there was real nice. And that is Rudy's, which markets itself as the worst barbecue in Texas. But obviously that is satire. It is not. It is awesome. Anywho, shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job, and I was expecting Chris to say that, but he ignored me.
And now it's time to do your job.
Now for something completely different. Come along, come along. Oh, that's his. Hey!